Welcome again, guys. In this video, let me show you how you can fund your Deriv account using Litecoin, right? If you don't have an account, there's a video for that. Kindly check the description section of this video. If you've created, there's a way you will link it to MT5, both your demo and real accounts. There's another video for it you can watch, right? And there's also a strategy I thought that you'll be using to make at least 10, 20, $30 each day. So make sure you go through all before you come here, right? So you just open your account like this. I'm talking about the account you created with your email and a preferred password of your choice, right? So when you come, just click on the menu section here. Just click on that at the left right corner. So when you click on it, select cashier, right? Just select cashier. Okay, so you select cashier. So I'm not going to make any other video on how you withdraw your account, because when you come to cashier, okay, based on your request, you can still request in the comment section. There's withdraw here, there's deposit here, and also there's transfer here. Take note of these three sections. That's what we'll be using. So you click on deposit, right? You click on deposit. Okay, let's wait for it to load, right? So you just have to click on deposit and wait for it to load. Now you see deposit via bank wire credit card. Just come here, deposit cryptocurrencies, right? Click on this section. Okay, now it will load and it will tell you to choose one of the currencies. If you remember, when you were creating the account, I told you to choose Litecoin. So if you don't want to use Litecoin, you just click on the plus sign here. That's add new crypto account, right? You can add as many as you want. You see we have USD coin, we have Ethereum, blah blah blah. But I think Litecoin is the only coin here with a low distance, with a lower gas fee. That's why I choose Litecoin. So you just click on it, you select Litecoin, you click on Litecoin. Now you click on continue. So once you click on continue, this page will pop up. So just click on this thing here to copy the address, right? So you now go to any exchange like Bybit, OKX, blah 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 blah, any exchange of your choice, or you can link up, you can contact me. And if you don't know how to buy Litecoins or cryptocurrencies on exchanges, you can let me know. I'll make a video on that. So you just have to how do you call it, buy Litecoin, and then you withdraw to this address and it will reflect here. So what will you do after you've received Litecoins here? Stay with me, I'll be back short. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully deposited 0.06 plus Litecoin into my Deriv account, as you can see. In fact, when you actually withdraw from any exchange on the Litecoin using their network, it will take approximately 15 minutes, right? So you have to wait small for it to reflect in your barra sorry guys, in your account, right? So as you receive it, as you can see, when you go to the MT5, when you go to your MT5 trader, it won't be reflected, and you are going to trade with US dollar. So what do you have to do? You click on the menu button again. Once you successfully withdrew from any exchange to your Deriv account, right, you just click on the menu icon, go to cashier again, and here you click on transfer, meaning you are going to transfer the Litecoin from your Deriv account into your MT5 trading app, so you can trade and make your 10 to 50, $100,000 a daily using the strategy I've already posted. kindly go through the videos and you find a strategy, right? So when you come here, look at something here. This is the Litecoin, right? We are going to transfer it to derived SVG. You can see MT5 here, right? So you just click on this or this thing, right? Just click on it and it will select all, and then you, as you can see, it's up to $5.19. So you just click on transfer, right? You just click on transfer and it has been reflected. So let me check my MT5 trading app for you to see. So here you can see my MT5. You see that, you see the Deriv at the top. These are the accounts that I'm already having. You see the accounts at the top here. You can see the 5 point something US dollar now here. So it means now I can successfully trade in a real account, and you can also switch from real to demo. I have so many trading accounts here. I have FBS, which are funded with only $10. In fact, there's money in trading. So guys, let's ride along, and don't forget, trading is also risky. So apply proper risk management, right? So if I'm to open my chart now, look at what's going on with volatility 75. I'm on the daily time frame, and the daily time frame is bullish. You can see that. So that's that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. May we all make money, may we all be rich. See you another time. Bye bye.